June invested $3,000 into an account that grew to $15,000 over a period of 20 years. Assuming that the interest in the account is compounded monthly, what was the annual interest rate of the account? Okay, so we've got to use the formula A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. And I'm using A in this case instead of A of T because I'm just going to plug in a number for it. And we want to find the rate R. So what I'm going to do is plug in 15,000 because that's the future value equals 3,000 times 1 plus the rate. So the rate in this case is what we're looking for. Divided by N. N is compounded monthly. There's 12 months in a year, so that's going to be 12. Raised to the 12 times 20. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and solve this for R. So the first thing I want to do is divide by 3,000. When I divide by 3,000, that's basically 15 over 3 in this case, so that's going to be 5 equals 1 plus R over 12 raised to the 12 times 20 is going to be 240. Now I got to get rid of that 240, so to do that I'm going to raise both sides to the 1 over 240th power. So let me give you an example of why that works. So if I have x cubed equals 8, to solve this I can say x cubed to the 1/3 power equals 8 to the 1/3 power. Now, if you recall your properties of exponents, a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. So that means 3 times 1/3 is going to become 1. So that's just going to be x to the first equals 8 to the 1/3 power. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to raise both sides to the 1 over 240th power. So that gives me 5 raised to the 1 over 240th power equals 1 plus R over 12. And now I'm just ready to start solving this equation. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 1 from both sides. And so that leaves me 5 raised to the 1 over 240th power minus 1 equals R over 12. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. And now I'm just going to put that in my calculator right there and see what I get. So when I put that in the calculator, I get 0.0807 equals R. So as a percentage, that would be 8.07%.